Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try white and sky blue printed shirt with white pants and sky blue loafers. Next you can try green printed oversized t-shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black polo t-shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Next you can try grey t-shirt and pants with white sneakers. Next you can try green polo t-shirt type shirt with white pants and black sleepers. Next you can try white t-shirt with tan pants and black loafers. Next you can try sky blue half sleeve shirt with beach pants and grey sleepers. Next you can try white and green printed shirt with grey pants and green sneakers. Next you can try olive green half sleeve shirt with white pants and olive green sneakers. Next you can try blue half sleeve shirt with white shorts and brown sleepers. Watch this video to know 35 white pants outfit ideas.